Hey, welcome to Dad Simply Cooking. I'm Joey, and today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy Philly steak cheese tortellini in a creamy provolone sauce, and it's budget friendly. Me and the kids set out this week to try to find something bargain friendly. This meat is a round ribeye flank steak stuff. It was on sale for $6 for like quite a few of them, like 7 or 8. And I got some peppers. I'm trying to make it the best I possibly can, just like everybody else. We're one income family here, okay? So trust me when I say, like, I'm legit always trying to bargain eat. So let's get started. To start out with, I have already pre-cut onions, red pepper, yellow pepper, and orange pepper, and a little bit of an onion earlier today to have it set out ready to roll. I'm going to splash down a little bit of avocado oil into my skillet. And it don't take long for this thing to get hot. And this is going to be the true definition of kind of a one pot thing. Because before I forget, go ahead and fill a pot full of water. Your burner on high. Splash some salt in there if you want to. It's up to you. If you want to. Alright. So I'm just going to put my peppers and my onions in. Saute these on down. Now, my meat is this wonderful little flank steak. Thin, as you can tell. But I have marinated this in some Worcestershire sauce and some seasoning and a little bit of oil. I've let it marinate, so it's prime. One side I got my peppers and onion. The other side I'm just gonna get my flank steak on down. And I cut it into all sorts of sizes and shapes. Tortellini, I have 36 ounces. We're gonna divide that by half. We're gonna use 18 ounces. Splash a little salt down. Pepper. A little bit of the Chicago seasoning. I love this stuff. A little bit of that butter. Let's sprinkle a little flour in here. Just a little bit. Cook it on down. I live in the country, though, for y'all to be aware of. And any big store is a drive. And you'd think our local stores would have some better deals. Mm. So I'm going to go with a cup of chicken stock. If you have beef stock, have at it. It's not really going to matter. It's not going to play too big of an impact in what we're doing. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a cup of heavy cream. I got some Parmesan cheese here. So some Parm down. And it's really whatever type of cheese you want. You can use pepper jack. I love pepper jack. And this pepper jack would probably go great. I'm gonna cut my cheese down a little bit into smaller sizes, make it easier to melt. Chives. And for that green aspect. Put everything on in and get dinner ready. Because we're ready to eat. And we're just gonna mix that on in, get it all nice and incorporated. This skillet is a game changer for me because now we legit have a one-pot meal. A little bit of cheese here, dump right on top. Oh yeah, game day, whatever. Nice, good bowl. All right, let's give this a taste, and then we're gonna feed our family. That's what it's about. Easy, simple, 30-minute meal. Get that cheesy goodness. Look at that. Oh man. Peppers, those onions. Oh. Mm-hmm. Winner. Every time. 10 out of 10. Make this. Keep it cheap. Try to find inexpensive things. And you don't have to use the steak. Get chicken. Try it with chicken. There is a chili or a Philly chicken cheesesteak. Multiple different variations. The sauce is simple. We're not reinventing the wheel, y'all. I love you. Thank you for all the likes, comments, and your support. I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much from mine to yours. Happy New Year. I love you. See you next year.